Okay, cool. So my name is Amar Bidadar. Today I'm going to be talking about the rack, how rack system work, what behind the scene. So let me walk you through this example given ChatGPT. I uploaded the sample PDF of Node.js and I asked the ChatGPT what is Socket.io, and hence the ChatGPT give me whole response, and also it's telling the reference of this response, which is Node.js.pdf. So let me walk you through these diagrams. So how it is works. So first of all, what is RAG? RAG is a uh, retrieval augmented generation. So what this means? So first of all, uh, user user uploaded the multiple PDF. First of all, we need to queue this PDF. Queue this PDF. We use the Redis queue first of all, and we get this first one by PDF using node worker or else boolean queue, and make sure we need to chunks this PDF. Chunks in the sense slice of pizza. We need to chunk this PDF, and we need to vector embeddings. So what is vector embeddings? Suppose we open the OpenAI tokenizer. So this is a open AI tokenizers. So what is vector embeddings? Suppose what is socket IO? So what is socket IO? So it gives the 5 tokens, and it this is a number. This is known as the vector embeddings. So compute LLMs understand the only numbers, not text. So it is embedding this text into these vector embeddings. So this is all, and we use the ChatGPT, uh, and these numbers. So these chunks of vector embedding number, we need to store the vector DB. In the market, we have popular vector DBs such as Quadrant DB, Pinnacle, Chroma. We use the Quadrant DB, and this is done. Whenever user asks the what is socket IO, first of all, it's again done the vector embedding. It retrieve the relevant content of these vector embeddings, and it is retrieved. This is known as the retrieval part. This is a retrieval part, and it is gives the context. This is known as the argumented part, and the last part, it context and as well as the query, it send it into LLM, and final part, it generate the response. This is known as a generation. So retrieval augmented generation. That's simple as it. So let me walk you through this API which I created. So I uploaded the sample PDF of Node.js, and so first of all, we need to open that PDF. Okay, cool. So this is a PDF. This is a whole Node.js PDF. So let's go this API, and I hit the send button, and it gives the response 200. Okay, successfully, and it is get successfully file. And second, this is known as post slash chat. This is the generative part. And what is the socket IO? And I hit the send button. Oh, oops, it hit the send button. It going the connection. So what is that? It works. Okay, it's giving the response, and it successfully doesn't not know why. Why does not know? It making this uploading the content, uploading the all vector embedding in the Quadrant DB. So let me walk you through this Quadrant DB. How looks Quadrant DB? So localhost dashboard. This is the Quadrant DB. Um, okay, this is the PDF which I created collection, and points is 0. Why? Wait for that. This is chunking. See this. This is known as the vector embedding chunkings. It chunks it it's storing the all vector embeddings successfully done. And let me walk you through this collection. This is known as points. So points across. Open this, and it's loading. This gives and the context of this is known as the whole chunks. Open this graph, see that this is a content, this is a content, this is a source, this is a PDF, all that stuff. This is a graph, this is a graph, this is a vector embedding, so that numbers 0, 5, it's predicting. So let me walk you through this. Oh, okay. I hit the send button, and it give the response. Okay, cool. So it answered me. Socket IO is a technology that comes with everything needed to get a set of WebSocket and all. It's telling the response, which it telling the source, which content, which it gives the metadata. And first of all, we need to find the page. Huh. This is the page number 110. So at the end, what is rack? What is rack solve? Suppose we uploaded the whole PDF, and we does not chunks the PDF. We whole embedding the whole PDF of file 105. We make the embedding of whole PDF, and uh, we need to store this PDF in Qdrant DB. And whenever user asks what is suppose what is a socket diagram, it read the whole PDF, not a single chunks. It read the whole PDF, and it is a very high compute task. This is a very high compute task, and it's a very painful. So that we need to make these chunks, and this is a powerful tool known rack. We use these techniques using uh, LAN chain. You use these techniques known as LAN chain. LAN chain is a framework that helps facilitating the integration of LLMs using applications. So vector embeddings, chunking, and splitting, and these all the tools we use LAN chain. This is the whole context. This is a whole one file which is read this whole document, and ChatGPT gives the custom response. This response is gives the LLM, and this is a context, and this is a metadata, all that store in the Quadrant DB. As simple as that. So bye bye.